Did you know that Nigerians are currently making money online every day simply by writing articles, blog posts, or even YouTube scripts for people around the world? And one of the easiest platforms to start doing so is the one I'll be sharing in this video. In this video, I'll show you exactly how many Nigerians can make money writing on this particular website. As you can see, this particular lady charges just $10 to write an engaging SEO-friendly article and blog in any niche. Now, she has had over 1,000 reviews. She's black, she's a Nigerian princess. She has had over 1,000 reviews. Now multiply the 1,000 reviews by $10. 1,000 people paid her $10 each just by writing articles on this particular website. Before we continue, I want to be clear about something. This is not a get rich quick scheme. It is not a get rich quick website. It will not make you rich overnight. However, if you learn how the platform works and stay consistent, you can become a reliable way for you to make money. It can become a reliable, a dependable source of income for you. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. On this channel, we will share legit ways Nigerians can make money online using real website that actually pays. If you like this content about freelancing, remote jobs, and online income opportunities, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with someone out there who wants to make money online. So let's go straight into it. The website we'll be talking about here is called Fiverr. Fiverr is the website. Now, a lot of people believe that Fiverr has gone into extinction, which is actually a lie. Fiverr is still functioning and working super fine. Fiverr is a global freelancing marketplace where people sell digital services to customers from all over the world. Now, these services are called gigs. Businesses come to Fiverr when they need help with things like graphic design, video editing, website design, and of course writing. Believe you me, a lot of people have more trust on websites that have stayed 10, 15, 20 years online than all these new websites. So if you're thinking about, if there is anybody somewhere that is thinking about, oh, I need someone to work with me remotely, they will quickly come to Fiverr, because Fiverr has been in existence for a very long time. Now, these services are called gigs. As a Nigerian writer, you can create gigs offering services like article writing, blog writing, script writing, or product description. Clients who need these services will find your gig and place an order. There are many writing services you can sell on Fiverr. You have the blog writing, you have the SEO writing, you have the YouTube script writing, you have the voiceover writing, you have the movie script writing, and you have a lot of writing. You have Google citations, you have article, you have creations, you have a lot. You have journals. People come here every day to look for people to write for them. In fact, many YouTubers hire freelancers to write engaging scripts for their video. Now, if you're thinking of going into the freelancing world, it is never too late. I have a guide. The guide will direct you to the right path. It is a beginner-friendly guide. The guide will give you free proposals that you can use or, recreate such for you to write to your proposals to your clients. If you don't know what to write, get this guide. It has templates, proposals, initials, something to guide you to following the right path if you are a freelancer. So I'll be leaving the link either in the description, on the Telegram channel, or as a pinned post. If you are interested in signing up as a freelancer, or if you are interested in going into the freelancing field, try and get this ebook. This ebook is like your guide. If you don't know how to write proposal, this ebook will guide you to write the proposal perfectly well. Now, some Fiverr writers even specialize in email writing, social media caption, or content writing. Now, let's go back to where we can sign up on Fiverr. Let me scroll down. Where you can sign up on Fiverr, you click on Join Fiverr. Once you click on Join Fiverr, you input your email address and voila, you are on the platform. After you create your account, what you need to do is to set up your profile. Now, this ebook will teach you how to set up a perfect profile. This ebook will tell you the websites that you can get free certifications from, certifications that you can actually use to boost your rating and increase visibility and trust on your profile. And your profile should explain that you are a writer. In fact, it should give the type of writer, explain fully the type of writer that you are. As you can see here, David here says, I will write your Christian blogs, article, devotionals, and books for you. Now, this guy, George here says, I will write and publish article on Google Scholar and Scopus Q1 to Q4 Index Journal. So only the advanced writers will know what David is trying to sell out here. No wonder he charges $120. he knows his onions. So after then, you simply just create a service, or you create what you want to sell, which is a gig. Once you understand everything, the next thing is you need to understand that if you are just starting up on Fiverr, you need to focus on creating a very clear and simple gig. Don't let your gig be too much English. I write blogs and articles for websites. I write engaging blogs and engaging articles for website. Just a gig that explains exactly what you offer. Also, you need to put a detailed description. There is a place where you have to add your description so that people will understand you. And if you're just starting up, please lower your price. You don't have to go over the board charging $80, charging $60. You can just charge $5 or $10 for simple gigs. Now, there are things that you have to avoid, which are also important. These are important mistakes that you should avoid. Avoid copying orders. Avoid plagiarism. It can lead to negative reviews or account suspended. I don't know how I have to emphasize this. If you are a writer, please avoid plagiarism. Avoid overpromising services that you cannot deliver. Don't tell your client that you will deliver an article of 100 pages when you know that you can only deliver 50. So if you promise a client high quality article, make sure you actually deliver high quality article to avoid abandoning order. You can work from morning till night. A client will receive your order, and if he's not satisfied, he will just abandon it. You will not get paid. And also, always try to communicate with your client. If your client is expecting your job today and you know that you cannot meet up, please write to the client as early as possible. Good communication and professionalism is very important on Fiverr. Good communication and professionalism is very important on Fiverr. Also, you need to understand that Fiverr is not a get-rich-quick website. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Some freelancers will earn their first order after a few days, while others can take a few weeks. The key and the most important thing that you have to have is patience, consistency, and improving your writing skills. So if you don't know where to start from, how to go about it, just get my ebook. My ebook will be like a starting point, like a guide for you. I will have the link pinned to the comment section, or it should be in the description or the Telegram. So if you're searching for a legit website that pays Nigerians to write online, Fiverr is definitely one platform you should explore. In my next video, I'll show you another website where Nigerians can earn money by writing articles and publishing content online.